Hey there friends, it's me Jenny with another DIY t-shirt cutting tutorial. This one's really basic, there's no weaving or anything involved, it's just a t-shirt that I cut and thought it looked more cute this way, so I figured I would share a little video with you. This shirt I got at the mall on sale for only $3, so you don't have to spend a lot of money to experiment with your fashion. First, like always, I like to cut off the neckline, but not too low because then it might fall off the shoulders too much. And then I cut off just the edges of the sleeves. And I try to make nice clean cuts so there aren't any jagged edges. Then I cut off the bottom, but just a little bit. Here I take the front of the shirt and I just grab it from the very center and fold it in half. I make sure that the material is not overlapping anywhere because we're about to cut little slits down this shirt as far as we want to go, but I don't want to accidentally cut through the wrong layers of fabric. Now I just cut a few little slits down the sleeves. Then we'll cut down the back of the shirt. This is where you can get creative and make cuts wherever you feel like it, but I've made so many cut t-shirts that this time I wanted to try doing one that has minimal cuts, isn't too crazy, and the type of shirt that you can layer over a tank top and it could look cute but not too revealing. So same thing like how we did on the front, I'm going to just grab the top and the bottom of the back of the shirt right there in the center and fold it in half. And before making any cuts, make sure that I don't have like the sleeves folded under where I'm going for anything. You can cut all the way down the shirt if you want, and I have other videos where I do weaving on the shirts, and there's a lot of t-shirt reconstruction videos on YouTube. I've watched so many and really enjoyed my times learning how to do this type of cut t-shirt fashion and weaving, but sometimes I'll mess up my shirt and it'll be a bummer. So this time I just wanted a few cuts. I actually like the look of shirts that have some cuts but aren't even weaved, so that's what I was going for in this particular case. So really simple, no sewing involved, no weaving, nothing crazy, just a regular t-shirt that's a little more interesting now. And here's the final result. I hope you like it, and if you liked this video, feel free to check out my other ones because I have a whole bunch of tutorials and resources, not just on YouTube but on Pinterest and Instagram. I like to post all different kinds of things. Also, I hope that you'll check out my other channels. I have one that's my main Jenny Nexus channel and my gaming channel. I'll leave links to those in the description below. Have a good one. Bye.